We had some super delicious, authentic Goan food at Cafe Krishnai in the last video. And just next to Cafe Krishnai is this place called Rakhumai. So Adrian had sent me a reel recently of this place and I found it interesting. That's the reason why we are here today. Looking at the interiors, you probably might have guessed that this is a fairly new place. And yes, it is a fairly new place, but it has gained a lot of popularity here in Mapsa. So they are just setting up right now because you see fruits here because they serve juice as well, and we've occupied that table right there. So Adrian is here with me as well. I'm sorry I didn't introduce ourselves. This is Adrian. She is the one behind the camera. Welcome or welcome back to our channel, and my name is Gavin. So those of you who have tuned in for the first time, we go around places like these in Goa. We cover mostly restaurants. We show some nice places as well in Goa. As usual, yes, we do show a lot of food in our videos, and yes, we are bombarded with food here because the gentleman, I think he's the owner, he's given us some complimentary stuff here as well, which is very nice. So yeah, I'm going to taste that and let you know what it exactly tastes like. But let's go through the menu first. Let me hold it that way so you know the shadow doesn't interrupt. Right, so these are divided in different sections. This is the non-veg treats, veg delights, grilled sandwich specials, bread bonanza, ice cream omelette, regular milkshake, and fruit bowl. Right, and as I said, you know, they have different kinds of juices. So yeah, there are different kinds of juices here as well. And what caught my attention here is that the rates are very pocket friendly. I can see it's all below 150. Yeah, I don't see anything more than 150, so that's really nice. Now it's time to taste all the food. We have three different kinds of bakaris here. So this one is ragi, this one is made from rice, and this one is jawar. Guys, you need to have this fast, otherwise it will get hard, but yes, I have to show you. And this one here is kadak pav and poi, and this one here is prawns shakuti, and this is called gaune. He said it's neer dosa, and this is the chicken keema. This is tisrio sukke. This one here is roast omelette. Yeah, this is roast omelette. The omelette is right at the bottom, and this one is mutton shakuti. I have to be extra cautious today because of this. I can literally be a canvas board for all these gravies. So yeah, I'm going to proceed with precaution. First of all, let me start with the bhakris here because they are going to get hard. Let me try with the jawar bhakri. So it's really nice to see they have different kinds of bhakris, and if there is mutton on the table, obviously I cannot resist that. That has to be number one on my list in the non-veg items. So let's try this. Superb. The mutton piece is small, tasty. Shakuti is perfect, very nice gravy. And let me try this with the rice bhakri as well. Quite impressed with the first dish, guys. No wonder it is popular. Usually we do not believe reels. I mean, I post videos on Instagram as well, but I do not believe Instagram reels because you know there have been instances where the food has not been good. But we came here looking at a reel, and I also checked the Google review. So yeah, good start. I can confirm that this is nice, this is delicious. And talking about the bhakri is really soft, like very soft. I'm really enjoying this. The last time I had this was, I think, back in Mumbai. So I really like this because you know in Mumbai, in the fishermen community, they are called the Koli community. They make this very often. Even Maharashtrians make this very often. So I've had it there. Now let me taste the keema. A very nice dressing of coriander. Nice. Keema, minced meat, again, it's delicious. It's got different kinds of flavors. It's not very sweet neither, it's spicy, it's proper. And they have made this with onions and tomatoes, and I can see some chopped garlic in there as well. Pretty good. The chicken is very nice, cooked very well, and the flavor is great. So I see that they have used good quality meat. I can taste the chicken in every bite. Otherwise, you know, in places, some places you have keema, chicken keema especially does not have that very, strong flavor of the meat. But this is very nice, has very good flavor. So second dish impressive as well. Now let me try the, what was this? Ragi. Yeah. So where do I go next? Okay, let me try the ragi with the prawns. So this is prawn shakuti. Wow, too good. This is really lovely, and I see there are lots of, at least around 5 to 6 prawns in there. I think this is the first place where we are having prawn shakuti. Otherwise everywhere we've had chicken shakuti, and yeah, I think mutton shakuti also. This is the first place. So very nice. Nice to see that they have chicken and mutton and everything, prawns as well. And I'm really enjoying the bhakris, guys. They have like different flavors for your palate. And now let's go to the classic koi. Okay, let's try this. So this is the raw omelette. Now I'm sure that this also will be good, because all the shakutis that we've had is good, and raw omelette, the shakuti gravy is used. I don't know why, but I found this a bit spicy with some masalas. I guess they have dressed this as well with some masala. Let me mix this well. Yeah, I think it was not mixed properly, but yeah, the first bite that I got was, I could taste the masalas, but when I had it with the omelette, it's giving a very balanced flavor. And what I like is the omelette is with onions. Thank you. There is a surprise waiting for you, because we have veg food as well, but now let's go for the tisrio. So what I like to see here in the tisrio is the meat. So many places serve this, but there's no meat in the shells. But yeah, first one I've got, there's decent amount of meat there as well. Talking about the flavor, it is excellent. It's a bit spicy. Sweetness is coming from the onion. Tomatoes is giving it a little bit of sourness, and the garlic is just accelerating the flavor. So again, guys, this is also super duper impressive. So I'm done with this section, and so yes, now we have to try this one. This is also called the neer dosa, and again I'll go for the prawns with this. This again is soft and it's cooked very well. So yeah, talking about the neer dosa, again it's very soft. If you're coming here and if you're ordering these two, the jawar bakri and the ragi, just make sure you have it quickly. And I said you're going to be surprised. Just check this out. So here we have, for the health conscious people, sprouted moong. If you hit the gym, this is very good in protein. This one here is the soya bean, and this one here is the almi mushroom. So this is the mushroom bhaji, and the pieces of mushrooms are in there, small pieces. And this one here is some moong item again. What's this one again? Is it some sweet? Okay, we don't know. Let me try that. And this here is kadak pav remains. So let me start with the mushroom bhaji. So guys, as I said, okay, and yeah, there is chapati here. So let's go for the chapati. Again, as you saw, I didn't have to put too much effort to break this chapati. It's so good. Like, even though it's a veg item and you guys know that we cover mostly non-veg stuff, but the mushrooms are so good as well. So all you guys who are coming here for the veg food, you can try this one. Now let's try the moong. This is like sprouted moong, and I see bits and pieces of coconut, so they have given some kind of tempering of the coconut and the chili and mustard seed. It's quite okay, quite good. Let's try the soya bean. And this is the soya keema. Although this is soya bean, it is so similar to the chicken, the soya keema, right? And talking about the chapati, even the chapati is very good here. So literally whatever I have tasted, each and everything has been good. And because we have so much, I'm even so confused about what to go for next. Again, these are sprouted moong. I need to ask these guys what it's called, but it's a bit on the sweeter side and it has garnishing of coriander. For those of you who are looking for veg food, you can try these items here. And this here, if you don't know, if you're not from Goa or some other places, this one is called the Kadak Pav. This has a very crispy and hard crust outside. It's a bread, and it's widely available in many places in Goa. So do I have anything remaining? No. And I've taken this juice here. Let me try this. Yeah. So this is nice pineapple juice what they have given. And once again, let me go for the mutton shakuti with this. All in all, I can confirm that the food is good here, and it's almost 6:15 p.m. They open at 5:30 and they're closed on Mondays. So yeah, if you want to try all these authentic delicacies, Goan delicacies, you can come here to Duler in Mapsa. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.